presented by Quality Enviro Engineers. Container Detachable Garbage Truck. Model QEEHL 9 cubic meter to 16 cubic meter tons capacity. The Container Detachable Garbage Truck is a vehicle that integrates the functions of garbage collection, transportation and self-unloading on the cab to achieve one car with multiple boxes circular transportation, improve vehicle efficiency, reduce investment and operating costs. It adopts the chassis to take power and the hook arm system adopts a sliding arm type hinge structure which is convenient to enter. The hook easy to maintain. The vehicle uses a rear support stabilization device which effectively prevents the head of the vehicle from tilting during the loading and unloading of the box. The operator can complete the work of loading and unloading garbage in the cab. The compression station uses a remote central control system and the degree of automation is high. During the compression process, the sewage is discharged directly through the tank's rapid sewage outlet and the sewage is directly discharged in the transfer station to reduce secondary pollution. The car can also be equipped with cleaning devices, sewage collection devices, alloy protection and other devices according to different needs. Advantages: highly productive, easily handle lifting, shifting and dumping, low cost, minimum human sources, large volume, safe and hygienic collection, fast operation. Application: municipals, authorities, private sector and etc.